In this video, I'll show you how we can connect n8n to Airtable. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So open the n8n and click on Create Workflow. Then from here, click Add First Step. You can add this trigger and then connect on it. Click on this plus and then type Airtable. Choose Airtable. And from here, you can choose either from actions or triggers. So let's say I'm going to choose create a record. Click on it. And from here, you need to click on this select credential. Click on it, create new credential. And from here, choose access token. So we need to find our access token from Airtable. So how you can do this is go to Airtable and click in top right corner on your profile and then click on Builder Hub. Then from here choose personal access tokens and then click on this create token button. From here you can name your token, so let's say n8n, like this, and you need to add scopes. So you need to copy those 3 scopes you have listed in n8n. Make sure you enabled the following scopes for your token. So the first one is this data records read. I'm gonna copy it and you can paste it here and then select it and do this with all 3 records. So this one. And the last one is this. Add scope. So once you have those scopes, what you need to do is add your workspace or base. If you don't add your base or workspace, it won't work. So you need to have some kind of base. So I'm going to choose my base. As you can see, this is my workspace. And then click create token. Once the token is created, you will see it on screen. Just copy it and paste it here to the access token field. Then click save. As you can see, connection tested successfully. Now you can close this. It's showing me some issue. So I will show you how you can fix it. Click on this and we need to fill this base and table. So choose from there your base. So this is my base. And from here you can choose your table. So just like that. And now it's successfully connected, as you can see. And that's it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.